Just going to have a look at the Kincrome indexing blowtorch, as they call it. So new from Kincrome, or new for a couple of months at least, indexing blowtorch. So I guess the feature of this blowtorch compared to others is the head that can move and lock into place. So 3 locking spots, 45, 90 and straight. A few other things, it's got a tricky little handle slide on the trigger, which you have to slide across to start. Click it in. It's also got the continuous as well, so you can set it up and keep it going. Obviously sits up on its base like that. Take off continuous, just push the trigger in and it'll stop. Another handy feature is the magnet on the base. So I've got a bit of scrap there. You can actually put it on a magnet and lock it into place if you need both hands to solder or put heat shrink on, or whatever you're doing with it. It's not the strongest magnet in the world, so if you leave it on the roof of your car or on the tray or something like that, chances are it won't be there when it gets home, but at least it'll hold it there while you solder. Also, to fill it up, if you're anything like me, you don't read the instructions, it takes a while to work these things out. You actually push the base off, the fill point's in the bottom. So it'll take most butane filling cans, but not all. You generally get the filling can that's got the multiple spouts on the top, because some of these are different to others. And there we are. We'll do the job if you're not using them every day.